Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charlotte and I am here to share with you my part 1 design team project for AngeldreamCraftsKim on Etsy. This is a two-parter, and today I am sharing the first part. Second part to follow probably in a week or two. I took a paper, I think pretty sure they're paper mache or maybe chipboard boxes, nesting boxes. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I think they nest, this is the largest one. Then it comes down to that, and then this is the smallest. It'd be so cute if they had a tinier one, but I took this set of nesting boxes and I took graphic 45 paper and I first gessoed the box and then covered it with graphic 45 paper out of the Elegance pack. And then took Kim's beautiful, beautiful laces for this month, February, and decorated them. And I was watching Rosanne from Roxy. Roxy, oh my goodness. I will link, well, I'll have all the designers linked from the design team in the description box, but she had cut out of one of the laces a butterfly, and so this is what I did. That's my idea of a butterfly. So what I did to begin with was I used this really, really beautiful pink. It's layered, it's got netting, and it's almost like chiffon, and it scalloped the edges. So I put that around the whole perimeter of the bottom of the top, and then I added this gorgeous trim here. What I love about this trim is you can cut this into individual florets and use them. And once I did that, then I gathered up this lace here and I went ahead and used that all around the bottom of the box. This is what the box looks like with the paper. And then after that was done, I took the top and I added a doily. This was just the prettiest doily. It's thin, it's cotton, it's scalloped, and it is just beautiful. And I divided it so that half hung over the side and the other half is underneath all this yumminess here. And then I went and I took one of the flowers that I had gotten from Kim that has just layers. See that? There's the doily right there. And then we've got a piece of chiffon, and we've got fabric and more chiffon, and then we have this vintage piece here with the gem on the top that makes this floret or this flower. So I put that on there, and then we have this dangle trim that I cut up. I've got glue on me, sorry about that. That I cut up into pieces. So there's a piece and there's a piece. And if you want to see the trims that I got for February, just go back to the beginning of the month and I take you through everything that was sent. There's a piece of the dangle trim there, and then I used a piece here. So I attached those, and then I went ahead and I took some seam binding ribbon and created some crinkle, and then two bows, one here and one here. Oh, three bows, because there's another one back here. And then I took one of the charms that comes from Kim's shop, the heart charm, with a bulb pin, and I attached it there like that. And then one of the laces, and that I had seen on Roxy's channel, and then I took a piece of this dangle here and cut it and put that right down the center of this butterfly, and then took some bling from Kim's shop. The bling comes like this by the yard, and I just cut a piece off. So you can find that along with some other really, really gorgeous things. Everything laying on this this mat here is from Kim's shop. I mean, just look at this. I got these this month. Kim sent these to me, and so I've not used any of these, but we've got a couple doilies. We've got, or I should say, I don't know if they're dresser scarves or doilies. We've got this here, and then these gorgeous trims. So I did create the butterfly out of that, and yeah, there's going to be a surprise inside of here. The lid does come off. I'm just not going to show you the inside yet. You have to wait for part 2 for that. But isn't she beautiful? This would be so pretty sitting on a dresser, sitting on a side table, sitting on a mirror. I mean, you could use this up on a shelf. It's just gorgeous. Really, really pretty. And everything on here is from Kim's shop except for the seam binding ribbon and the paper, of course. So I would suggest that you hop on over, have a look. There's a lot of new inventory in that she got for Valentine's Day. So I hope that you'll stay tuned for part 2 coming up. And I will catch you in the next video. Check out the links below, guys. Hugs and thank you so much. Bye.